Ever wished you had a light source that didn't take up your precious combat hand in Minecraft? Hey. While exploring or battling monsters in the dark, keeping a torch in your offhand can be a game changer, offering both illumination and the ability to fight simultaneously. First things first, you'll need to access your inventory. Tap the 3 horizontal lines icon, usually located at the bottom center of your screen. Once your inventory is open, find a torch, then tap and hold the torch and drag it to the small second hotbar slot. This is your offhand slot. Release it there, and voila! Now, as you move through those dark caves or navigate dangerous terrain, you'll have a constant light source in your left hand, leaving your right hand free for your sword, pickaxe, or anything else you need to wield. This means you can mine, defend yourself, and light up your surroundings all at once. It's perfect for those intense mining sessions where every second counts and surprise attacks are a constant threat. To ensure smooth control, especially with this new offhand technique, it's worth checking your settings. Tap the gear icon to access the settings menu. Navigate to the controller or customize section. Here, you can tweak your on-screen joystick size and button layout to best suit your hand and playing style, making it easier to manage both your movement and your offhand item. Mastering the offhand torch gives you a significant advantage, allowing for more strategic and efficient gameplay in the dark corners of your Minecraft world. So go ahead, light up your adventures and conquer those caves.